Here's the news of the day. The U.S. Air Force 129th Rescue Wing is upgrading to 6 HH-60W Jolly Green II helicopters, enhancing combat rescue capabilities with advanced avionics and increased reliability. NATS Services' new whitepaper highlights key insights from Project CAELUS, showcasing a master control room concept for safely integrating drones into UK airspace. Eviation has laid off most of its staff as it struggles to secure funding, pausing operations to explore long-term partnerships for its Alice electric aircraft. Autoflight secured a $21.5 million deal to sell 12 eVTOL aircraft to Wuhan's Hanyang district, supporting air taxi, cargo, and emergency response operations. Textron Aviation is expanding its Australian service operations with a new facility at Essendon Fields Airport, enhancing support for Cessna, Beechcraft, and Hawker aircraft in the region. ICAO has launched the FineVest Hub, a global platform connecting aviation sustainability projects with investors to accelerate sustainable aviation fuel production and decarbonization efforts. Düsseldorf Airport and Greenlight Carbon will build the world's first DAC to SAF facility, capturing CO2 and producing green hydrogen to advance sustainable aviation fuel production. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.